Blackbird on my shoulder every day. It lands here, it starts song, guides me through the dirtiest place. I walk with it. It controls my thoughts, the bird makes me do bad things. It choose the people I will make fall. I stain my hands with blood for it. The blackbird sings for death of a pathetic. I don't fight my destiny, I only follow bloody orders. The winged demon commands my life. Blackbird never leaves, it will be there when I finally die. And surely it will land on another shoe to some other unfortunate soul will die for it. The blackbird has always been on earth. I chronic God, but it's on her names. This curse one full of pain and blood is just another whim of the blackbird. The blackbird sings for death, a pathetic. I don't fight my destiny, I only